Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read you a story today, which is called The Vegetables We Eat by Gail Gibbons. So follow along as you listen to me read. Look at all the vegetables. Vegetables are the parts of plants that are grown to be eaten. Most are annuals, some are perennials. Perennials are plants that grow for many growing seasons without having to be replanted. Annuals are plants that grow for only one growing season. They must be replanted to grow again. It is good for us to eat vegetables. They are nutritious and help keep our bodies strong and healthy. They are tasty too. We eat vegetables in different ways. Vegetables grow to be different shapes, sizes, and colors. Botanists group the different kinds of vegetables according to the part of the vegetable that is eaten. There are 8 groups of vegetables. A botanist is a scientist who studies plants. Leaf, bulb, flower bud, root, tuber, stem, fruit, seed. Leaf vegetables. We eat the leaves of these vegetables. Iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, Bibb lettuce, red leaf lettuce. Some other leaf vegetables include cabbage, spinach, watercress, parsley, and Brussels sprouts. Bulb vegetables. We eat the bulbs that grow beneath the ground. White Spanish onion, some other onions, yellow globe onion, red globe onion, sweet Vidalia onion, leeks, flower bud vegetables. The flower buds of these vegetables are eaten. White snowball cauliflower, some other cauliflowers, cheddar cauliflower, purple head cauliflower, some other bud vegetables, artichokes, and broccoli. Root vegetables. The roots of these vegetables are eaten. They grow beneath the ground. Early wonder beet, some other beets like Detroit dark red beets, red ace beets. Some people eat beet greens. Some other root vegetables are parsnips, carrots, turnips, rutabaga, and radishes. Tuber vegetables. The edible part of these vegetables, the tuber, grows beneath the ground. Kennebec potatoes and some other potatoes, yellow Yukon Gold potatoes, red Norland potatoes, russet Burbank potatoes, purple Peruvian potatoes, stem vegetables. The stems of these vegetables are eaten. Some stem vegetables are perennials. Gold self-blanching celery. Some other celeries, Ford hook celery, giant Pascal celery. Some other stem vegetables include asparagus, which is a perennial, and rhubarb, which is a perennial. And fruit vegetables. Here are some fruit vegetables that we eat. Best Boy tomatoes and some other tomatoes. Beef eater tomato, ultra sweet tomatoes, yellow tomato, sugar plum tomato, and cherry tomatoes. Some other fruit vegetables include eggplant, cucumbers, yellow squash, hot peppers, butternut squash, zucchini, sweet peppers, and a pumpkin. Seed vegetables. We eat the seeds of these plants. Some seed vegetables grow in pods. Sometimes the pods are eaten too. Green beans. Some other beans, pole beans, yellow wax beans, lima beans, kidney beans, navy beans. Some other seed vegetables, green peas, snow peas, corn, and the husk. Some people actually do eat the corn husk. Corn is a vegetable that does not have a pod, it has a husk. The soybean. Soybeans are a special seed vegetable. They can be used in many ways. Some soybeans are used to make food products. Soybean oil is used to make many non-food items. You can see in the picture, they make vegetable oils, margarine, tofu, soy sauce, soap, cloth, different paints, paper, and plastics. So soybeans are used in many ways as well as the soybean oil. How to grow your own vegetable garden. When it gets warm enough, many people enjoy planting, growing, and later harvesting their own vegetables. Most often they buy packets of seeds that have directions. Fertilizers are substances added to the soil as food for plants. A shovel may be used to turn over the soil. A rake may be used to smooth the soil so it is ready for planting. Some people plant starter plants, also called seedlings. Most of the time, vegetable seeds or starter plants are planted in straight rows or circles. Sometimes strings or sticks are used to help plant straight rows or support climbing plants. When seeds are planted in a circle and covered with a mound of soil, the mound is called a hill. The garden must be weeded and watered regularly. The plants begin to grow. There's a sprinkler there helping, a scarecrow to scare the birds away, a hose, a watering can. In cities, people may grow vegetables in containers. Sweet peppers are being grown, green beans, tomatoes, and lettuce. The vegetable plants will become bigger until they are ready for harvesting. They're harvesting. That's the fun part of having a garden where you get to pick everything. Great big vegetable farms. Farmers fertilize the soil. The fields are plowed, harrowed, and planted. Fertilizers are added to the soil. A plow turns over the soil. A harrow smooths the soil so it is ready for planting. A planter places the seeds in a straight line. Big sprinkling systems are used to water the vegetable plants. At the end of the growing season, the vegetables are harvested. That's the fun part, remember? Some vegetables are picked by hand. Other vegetables are harvested by machines. Refrigerator trucks haul the vegetables to processing plants. There they will be washed and sorted. Some are frozen, some are canned, and the rest will be sold fresh. The vegetables are shipped to stores near and far away for people to buy. At grocery stores, fresh vegetables are on display. Canned vegetables line shelves. Frozen vegetables are found in freezers. Some people buy fresh vegetables at farm stands. It is fun to pick out what to buy. Look at all the delicious vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Benjamin Franklin introduced soybean seeds from France to the United States around 1800. More than half of the world's soybeans are grown in the United States. Potato plants originally came from South America. There are about 300 different types of potatoes. About 1/3 of all the vegetables grown in the United States come from California. The province of Ontario grows the most vegetables in Canada. The longest bean is called the yard-long bean. It can grow to be about 3 feet or 91.4 centimeters long. Vegetables can be grown using water filled with nutrients. No soil is used. Botanists call this type of gardening hydroponics. Don't forget, it is important to eat vegetables. They are good for you. I hope you enjoyed the story, boys and girls. Make it a great day.